So it's night time here in Australia and I'm ready for bed. I was just going to get into bed and watch a bit of TV, but boy has decided to place himself right in the middle of the bed, so I'm not exactly too sure where I'm supposed to be sleeping, because I'm not going to fit on that side and I'm not going to fit on that side. So yeah, it looks like I have to change my plans. Yeah, hopefully he won't stay in that position the whole night and I'll be able to get into my bed at some point. You comfy there, mate? Yeah, you need the whole bed? I guess you do. Hey, buddy. Alright, well, sorry guys, I've got a bit of a cold, so yeah, that's why I'm sounding like this. But yeah, I wish everyone well and I will catch up with you very soon. Say good night, boy. Bye, guys.